Welcome back, guys. So right now, to check how solid your profile is, there's something we're going to use. We're going to use an AI tool called Careerflow. So you're going to use it to check how well your profile has been optimized. So having to check this Careerflow, I'm going to just click on this Careerflow first index, which is a Careerflow AI. It's careerflow.ai, and all I have to do is to sign in. Just sign into this Careerflow. I'm going to sign in right here, and let's try to sign into Careerflow. We're going to use this to check how well our profile has been optimized. So I'm going to continue with Google, of course. I'm going to continue with Google right away. Having to continue with Google is going to connect with my Gmail that I have on this Chrome browser. Use a Chrome browser as well this time around. This Chrome browser, I've shown you how to download a Chrome browser. So I'm going to use this Gmail to log in, and having to log into Careerflow now. I'm going to log into Careerflow, and this is my name. So I'm going to optimize. You can download the Chrome extension. You can optimize your LinkedIn profile, and that's what you want to do. You don't need all this for now, but what I want to do right now is to optimize my LinkedIn profile. So I want to optimize my profile right now. I'm going to download this first. So let me download that. Let me download that right away. I'm going to download Careerflow, and I'm going to add it to my Chrome just like I did for Melin AI. I'm going to add this to my extension, and having to add this to my extension, I'm going to be able to optimize my profile easily. So this is Careerflow. Just download the extension first, then you click on optimize now. So I have it downloaded. I have Careerflow on my Chrome right now. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I have Careerflow AI optimization now, and this is Careerflow right here. So you can easily log in to the extension. You use the extension to log in, and it's as easy as that. It's automated. So this is the extension right here. You can optimize your resume. You can optimize your LinkedIn profile. So right now I've completed my first checklist, which is to download the Careerflow extension, which is the AI, and I'm going to optimize my profile right now. So optimizing my profile after I have LinkedIn on my Chrome already. So I'm going to just click on optimize straight up. And it's going to bring me here. Let's see how it optimizes profile and see what it says about this profile, and see it right here. It says we found 2 problems and 3 recommendations. Sign in now to optimize. So I'm going to check that out. It says it's fine. It finds 3 problems. Let me make this smaller. Okay, so let me make this smaller. Okay, the zoom level is smaller now, so you can check this recommendation. So let me optimize this. We found 2 problems. Let me sign in right now to check that out. So let's see the problems it's found. Careerflow found on my profile. Despite all I've done, it's still recommending some other stuff. So let's check that out right now. So let me optimize it right away, and yeah, it says welcome to Careerflow. I'll be able to check this, and it's giving me introduction. Here's a short main tutorial for you, and if you want to explore the product in detail, you can watch a detailed video here. I'm just going to skip this and next this. So let me just check this out. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Let's walk you through how your LinkedIn optimization tools work. So let me next this. It says profile score. My profile score right now is 78%. As you can see, my profile score is 78%, which is fair enough. Your goal is to get to 100% if possible, so you can just use this to optimize your profile well. So my profile score is 78%, and let me next that. It says interactive walkthrough. This button will take you to interactive tutorial like this, providing you with steps along with tips to a start LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to next that, and it says optimization status. You can check which sessions you've completed. The optimization checklist for green sessions, you have 2 sessions you have nice to have improvements. For yellow, okay, nice is yellow. Are you understanding that? Green is for you've done this perfectly, and nice is for yellow, and this is for improvements. So that's what it's trying to say right now, and yes, you're going to check that out. So I have all this green check. All this green check is for the ones that I've done really well, that I don't need any improvement, and this I've done really well. I've done all this really well. So I've done profile about, I've done it really well, and you can check it next. You can check profile photo has been done. It says choose the session. It has been done really well. You can choose it right there, and yes, so let's back this up and let's next this, and yeah, so we'll be able to check that. Are you sure you want to end the tutorial? Yes, I want to close it. So let me check it right now. So these are the critical ones. Where are the critical issues. So let's start optimization. Open to work and education are the critical issues I have. Those are the two recommendations. So what is it saying about my open to work? So my open to work now, it says, oh, it's not open to work is an option that you can sell. And yeah, so let's preview that and let's next this. So the education now is actually an important part as well. So I can edit that from here, or let me back this and try to start optimization, and let's see how it goes. It says profile photo is checking in progress. So let's wait for the progress and see how it goes from here. So having to see the profile 1/14 out of the things is going to check. So this says it's, yeah, we've done that. So let's next this, and this goes to the second, which is the banner, which is having a green check. You can edit now if you want to. So let's go to the next. The next says headline, which is checked as well. It says use the pipe character to separate different titles and keywords. So if you want to edit, you can edit. Maybe you have other things you are doing, but me, I will leave my headline like that. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to next and see I'm open to work. As you can see, this is open to work, which means add the open to work option to your profile. Add at least 5 job titles you are open to. This for job seeker. You can easily use this to seek for a job. So I'm going to just next this right now. So you can use this to seek for a job, and I'm going to next that right away. And let's go to location. It says location, and you can list your current or desired location under the location option. So let's look at the next option, connections. Connections are a count of people you can edit, and yeah, I said add at least 500 people to your network. So you do this as well. You have to add, as you can see, this one is checked for me, green. So let's see, this one is checked for me. The about is checked for me as well. If it's not checked for you, you edit now. And let me next this right now. So this experience is checked for me as well. If it's not checked for you, you edit now. Then you add the top 5 skill you used on every job. Just check this out. This will help you optimize your profile really well. And check the education. You can edit now as well. So you can add description, highlighting. You can see this is not checked. This is not checked. So I can add a description highlighting your academic achievement and introducing your institute. Mention activities and societies you're a part of in school and college. So if you have all these, you can input that as well. So to edit, you just click on edit now, and it's going to take you to where you're going to edit your profile. You're going to edit the education straight away with Careerflow. So this is just a way to help you flow with LinkedIn without having to go through the hassle we went through earlier on. So I'm going to just go back. So that's how to optimize your profile. You check the recommendation and all that. So Careerflow can help you to do everything I've been doing all this while. Careerflow can help you to improve your optimization skill. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about LinkedIn optimization, LinkedIn marketing, how to market your business, how to look for jobs on LinkedIn. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.